Hi dear friends, myself Pramod Gharat from NM Joshi Vidyabhavan Goregaon hearty welcome of you in this bridge course session. Today we are going to deal with the activities understanding new constructions through reading. You know that when we read the passage there are different types of constructions in the passage. For example, main clause, subordinate clause, simple sentences, complex sentences, compound sentences, simple past tense sentences, present tense sentences, infinitive sentences, gerunds, exclamatory sentences, finite verb, questions, so many. Now, in this activity, we are dealing with underline the infinitives, exclamatory sentences, and finite verbs. Look at, there is given activity for you. Read the following passage carefully and do as directed. But before reading this passage, we must know what is means exclamatory sentences, what is means finite verb, non-finite verb, infinitives. So at first we are going to learn detail about the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences means a sentence that expresses a strong emotions and ends with exclamatory marks. Look at, there are some examples of exclamatory sentences. Means here are expresses some strong emotions. Let's see the first picture, the first sentence. Hey, I am free. Means here expresses joy. Then look at the second. Say actually own, expresses surprise. Then I treasure you, here is expresses love. And then you are late again, expresses anger. Means here in these sentences there is express a strong emotions, and these sentences end with exclamatory marks, so that these sentences are exclamatory sentences. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्सला आपण मराठीमध्ये विस्मयबोधक वाक्य असं सुद्धा म्हणतो. लुक ॲट दिस सेंटेन्सेस. व्हॉट अ फुलिश मॅन ही इज. व्हॉट अ फुलिश मॅन ही इज. हाऊ लाऊडली यू टॉक. यू आर सो काइंड. यू आर सच अ लायर. These sentences are end with exclamatory marks and expresses, here is the strong emotions, so that these sentences are exclamatory sentences. Now here is some assignment for you. Now look at what is the assignment. Complete this exclamatory sentences expresses the emotion mentions in the bracket. Please, you should write it in your simple words. Here are given some exclamations. For example, ouch, express pain, hooray, express joy, wow, express surprise, what, express horror, how, express pain, ghosh, express shock, yuck, express disgust, phew, express disgust, oh, express disgust. Then A, express surprise. Now what you have to do, you have to use these expressions and you have to write or complete the sentences. For example, wow, we won the match. Then what a terrible snake it is. Here is express horror. Now look at, there is the finite verbs and non-finite verb. In this sentence there are given some finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Now look at this table. First sentence, they got home very late last night. Got, here is finite verb, means act as a verb. Then I live in Germany. finite verb is here live, act as a main verb. Then she was waiting in the room before he came in. Here is was waiting and came. Use the verbs, finite verbs in the sentences. You promise me the last tickets. Promise is the finite verbs in past tense. Then Jean said that he enjoyed painting. Enjoyed is here is used in the independent clause, that is the verb. Then look at their non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs do not act as a verb. Means sailing is my favorite sports. Sailing is not here is the verb. That is non-finite verb. Then the sleeping cat is brown. Means sleeping is not here verb. It is an adjective in this sentence. Means it's act as an adjective in the sentences. Then she tiptoed around the house so as not to wake anyone. To wake is infinitive in these sentences. We do not indicate the finite verb. Look at it. I struggle to understand. Means to understand is here is infinitives. Means finite verb, non-finite verbs are indicate infinitives, gerunds and participles. Last sentence, kids like to play on computers. Means to play is here infinitives. Means what do you understand from the finite verbs and non-finite verbs? Non-finite verbs, they do not act as a verbs, and finite verb act as a verbs. Non-finite verbs are here is the nouns, adjectives, adverbs, indicate persons, numbers, infinitive, gerund, participles. These are the non-finite verbs, and finite verbs act as a verb. Okay. In your bridge course book, there is given a learning activity for you. Look at there, read the following passage carefully and do as directed. What you have to do? You have to read this passage very carefully and find out and underline the exclamatory sentence from the passage and finite verb from the passage, infinitive from the passage. Okay. For example, look at here. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Wrote is a finite verb here. Means you should identify the sentence or identify the finite verbs from the sentence. Means wrote is a finite verb here. Then next look at there. Today Tommy found a real book. Means this sentence is end with exclamatory marks. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. In this way, you should read the passage carefully and find out the exclamatory sentences, finite verbs and infinitive from the passage. Then you should read the passage from your 10th course books and you should find out exclamatory sentences, finite verbs and infinitive from the passage. Okay, thank you.